machinist for the Raymond B. Jones College of Engineering. I'm going to start with everything that comes into the shop goes through a saw. You're going to saw it down to whatever rectangular shape, or you can actually do contour because it's a bandsaw. This is a horizontal bandsaw, all long or bar stock, whether angle or a bar. It comes straight through this saw, cut to length, and then I go from these two saws to, most often, either the lathe or the mill. We're going to start here with the Bridgeport mill. The mill is used for side cutting. We use a side-end mill. It cuts sideways through material, through metal, through plastic, doesn't matter. It cuts slots, grooves, it shaves the outside edges to make precise, exact sizes. It does drilling, it does tapping, just whatever you need to do in a machine shop, you can do it with the mill. The Bridgeport mill and the clawsing lathe are still the standards in the industry to this day. On the lathe, I take material, lock it in the vise jaws, and then I cut different diameters, grooves. I can do drilling, tapping, bores, anything you need. And but these are the two basic pieces of equipment for every machine shop. Now, after the lathe, we're going to step up to CNC, which is computer numeric control. We have a 4-axis CNC mill. To give an example of the most complex item I can think of to cut with a CNC mill, I have a 40-inch by 20-inch bed area work envelope. I could cut a topographical map of any terrain that you wanted to cut with this. You can cut precise machine components, you can cut gears, you can anywhere from cartoon character faces and in a 3-dimensional to complex machine components. It uses wire and electrical discharges to erode metal as the wire passes through. I have a couple of examples of gears that I've cut in the past for our Baja team transmission. This is a very, very precise cutting piece of equipment. Again, you can cut gears, and it's one pass, and you get a super smooth finish. It's very, very high precision. You can cut easily to within a 1/2,000th with this machine. Just to go over a few more pieces that we have in the shop, we have an arbor press. We have a small CNC plasma cutter, rotary grinder, hydraulic press, disc belt sander, and then when learning CNC, I found that students are less intimidated by small equipment, so I have some micro CNC equipment. I have a micro lathe, a micro mill, they're both CNC, and then a micro cam and crank grinder. And that's the tour of our machine shop.